What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. Man, in today's episode, I'm giving away this free LUT. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all that do video, a lot of y'all that do music videos, weddings, whatever type of video you do, you know what a LUT is. It's kind of like, if you're a photographer, it's kind of like using Lightroom presets. So LUTs, it's kind of like presets for video. So this is for y'all, man. This is a free LUT that I'm dropping today. I made this for wedding videos, but you can use it for anything. You can use it for your music videos or whatever. But there's a lot of free, presets out there and LUTs, but there's not a lot of LUTs available for black skin. For that dark skin, that melanin. So I made this. I probably made this LUT maybe like. It's been some time ago, but I've been using it for my personal projects. So I put some clips together for y'all to look at, just so you can see how they work, see some examples. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all check that out, man. I'll be right back. Man, I thought I had some more video clips. Turns out I deleted a lot of my raw videos. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I deleted all those. Well, I was running out of space. That's one reason. So, note to self, buy some external hard drives so that way you won't have to delete all your video clips. Hey man, y'all check it out, man. Make sure you download the LUT. I'm probably gonna put like a Dropbox link in the description below, so make sure you look down below in the description. Go to the Dropbox link, download the LUT, man. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you can use it. And like I said, I appreciate y'all, man, for watching these videos and just being a part of the community. I really appreciate y'all. So I got some more free stuff coming, man. Don't even worry about it. I got you. All right. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, man, right now. Tell your friends and family about this YouTube channel. And yeah, man, that's about it, man. I'll see y'all on the next one.